Okay, Matinex, welcome back. So, at this moment, I'm going to discuss to you how to find the equation of a parabola given the different or its different properties. Okay, so for our first example, it says here, find the standard form of a parabola given by 4x minus 2y squared plus 8y minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so since only y or only one of the variables is squared, then this is a parabola and it is written in its general form. No, not really. Okay, so when it is written in its general form, the y should be, or the variable or the term, the leading term should be written first. Okay, so how are we going to do it? Remember that the quadratic equation, the standard equation of a parabola is written in the form, this time y is squared, so that is y minus k quantity squared equals 4p times x minus h. Okay? So, gagawin lang natin siyang ganyan. Therefore, we need y, or the variable y should be written in a perfect, or in a square of a binomial form. Okay, so how are we going to do it? So, the first thing that we're going to do is to group our variables, the same variables together. So, we have negative 2y squared plus 8y minus, or plus 4x, since that is positive, minus 4 equals 0. Okay, and then the next thing that we're going to do is to enclose each type of variable with parentheses, and then we're going to factor out the GCF. So in here, the GCF is negative 2. So we are going to factor out negative 2 times y squared. So 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. Sorry. Maya, may I borrow your, what do you call that? No, it's not ruler. No, not eraser. Correction tape. Make it faster, please. Thank you. Okay, let me just erase that. Okay. Okay. It's not properly working. Okay, thank you. So, negative or positive 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. And then we have y plus factor, the greatest common factor of this is 4. So, we have 4 times x minus 4 divided by 4 is 1 equals 0. And then the next thing that we're going to do is to transpose this. We're going to transpose this variable, since, or this part of our equation, since that should be on the right side of our equation. Okay, so we have negative 2 times y squared minus 4y equals, so since it is positive, it will become negative 4 times x minus 1. And then we are going to divide this by negative 2. Negative 2. So that will be cancelled. Para yan na lang matira doon sa left side natin. So y squared minus 4y equals negative 2 divided by negative 4 rather divided by negative 2 is positive 2 times x minus 1. I hope you're following. And so this should become a square of a binomial. So how are we going to do that again? We have y squared minus 4y plus blank equals 2 times x minus 1 plus blank. Okay. And so we have here now, we have to take that. So negative 4 divided by 2. And then I hope you remember this. Okay. And so we have negative 2. And then we are going to square that. And that will become 4. And that will be added to that. So plus 4 and then plus 4. Okay. And so we have y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 2 times x minus 1 plus 4. Okay, let me just raise that up. And so this can be factored already as y, since that is minus 2, diba ito yung i-add natin? So minus 2 quantity squared, okay, equals common factor of 2 and 4 is 2. Okay, so we have 2 times, let me do it like this, x minus 1 plus 2. Okay, and so we have y minus 2 quantity squared equals 2 times, you can already add that. Okay, so that will become x plus 1. Okay, so it is already in its standard form. Y minus k quantity squared equals 2, or that is 40 times x plus 1. As simple and as easy as that. Okay? Okay, so if you have question on that example, you may comment your question down below. And if it is a simple question, then I might answer it right away. But if it is a complicated one, just type it down and maybe I should answer, or I could answer it during our Zoom meeting, or I'll make another video to answer that question. Okay, so let us proceed. On our next video, I am going to discuss how to find the equation of a parabola given its vertex and its focus.